Friends, if you are curious whether your Windows license is a retail license, OEM license, or volume license, then I will help you with it. A lot of other resources say that it's not possible to find out, but it is definitely possible to find out. And I'll tell you the difference between these three. The retail license is the key which you buy from the Microsoft website, or you buy from another store, but it's a retail key and it can be used on multiple systems, but only one at a time. The OEM key is the one which is bound to your computer, and you usually get it with computers which have Windows pre-installed in them. And volume licensing keys are mostly used by organizations. So to find out which key you are using, because it's very important, you can do the following. You can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open the command prompt window. The normal one is fine. Simply copy this command slmgr space /dli. Very easy to remember. slmgr space /dli, and paste it here and hit enter. Now wait for a few seconds and it will display this Windows script host here, and it mentions the type of key you have. Now I have it in the OEM DM channel, so it means that it's an OEM key, else it would mention. Even more, you can use a third-party software for it. So open the Microsoft Store either through the system tray, or if you don't find it here, then search for it in the Windows search bar. But once you open the Microsoft Store, search for product key and then click on show key plus. Then click on install and wait for the key the software to install on your system. It's a small software, it will install easily. Once it has installed, click on open. The second it opens, you'll notice everything related to it. Now the key has been mentioned as an OEM edition, which means it's an OEM key, and it will also mention the same in the last column here at the bottom right corner, OEM DM. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.